Hey guys, let's say good morning from Red Duchess Farm, but I'm not on the farm as you can tell. I've taken the day off, or at least part of the day. This weekend I would normally be in Springfield, Illinois with one of my parents for the Horse Expo. Unfortunately, the largest part of our plants came in a week earlier and I have been swamped. So I've got some stuff to deliver today. So I'm going to try to get away for a few hours to go to my Spinner and Weavers group. So the Southern Illinois Spinner and Weavers, we meet in Metropolis, Illinois at the Massac State Park. It's kind of neat. So I thought, well, I just take you on my adventure today and show you a little bit about what we do and kind of show you a few sites around Metropolis. It's kind of neat. It's home of Superman. And the newspaper is the Daily Planet. So I'm going to go into civilization today and have a little entertainment for a few hours. So I'll pick this back up in about 20 minutes because it takes me that long to get to civilization. So I will see you then. Okay, so I finally made it to Massac, and this is part of the state park. As you can see back there in the back is a ton of water. That is the Ohio. We've got these cool cabins. So let's take a walk back here and I'll show you around a bit. Okay, Fort Massac is an old fort that sits on the Ohio River. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Give you a little. And this tells about the four flags over the Fort Massac. 1500 Spanish ownership, all the way to 1908, site designated for the first Illinois State Park. French trading post, fortification to block the British expansion in the Mississippi River. The French abandoned fort to the British. In 1764, George Rogers Clark stopped here on his way to Kaskaskia in 1778. And in 1794, George Washington ordered the fort rebuilt. These are just pieces that are left of the fort. Every year they have one or two full reenactments here. They have redone some of these buildings, and they were under construction because they were in pretty bad repair. So let me get to the other side of this so the sun's a little better. Here's a little bit better view of some of the buildings in the fort. All over Southern Illinois, we have tons of historic landmarks. We also have squirrels playing on top. Apparently they live in the building. Why not? The water behind this building is not supposed to be there. That is all hiking areas. This is crazy. The big arch that you see there in the background, that is Interstate 24 going into Paducah, Kentucky. So obviously this is the Ohio. It is massive right now. Lots of flooding. Of course, I hate rivers, by the way. So for me to come down here and stand is pretty good. We are clear up into the walls. Out into the park. That is Kentucky. Some barges sitting there. We have the monument. Here at the park, they have lots of hiking, camping. It's really a nice little park. During the summer, it's just well taken care of. We're getting ready to go into the visitor center, which is where they are gracious enough that once a month they allow us to set up our Spinner and Weavers group, and we kind of talk to the public. Anybody's welcome to come in and see what we're doing, show people things. It's really a cool little place. I'll give you a little tour.
This room, there is a lot of information about things in Southern Illinois. This is an overview of what the fort would have originally looked like. Just lots of really neat things to see. A lot of information. Try not to walk too fast. The billows for blacksmithing. Tells a lot about the history of Southern Illinois and the river. Very informative. So let's go in here and see kind of what everybody's doing.
I'm trying to turn it around. I can't seem to get it. I'm thinking that this nut could come off. And you can get this nut off. And you turn this completely around.
So right now our group is just now starting to get started. You can see we bring yummies. People help people here. You can learn a lot of things. We help each other. We feed off of each other and we give each other good ideas.
Okay, so we left the Spinner Weavers group, a little shot there of Superman in Metropolis, the Daily Planet, and it was pretty busy in town today with all the flooding. Everybody's out sightseeing. So we are going to go to the best kept secret. You can't do this without going, you go out for the day, you got to get this. So as we round the corner here, I will show you where we're going. This little place is built in the 70s. Golconda, it's a chocolate factory. Some great ice cream. This is just some of the pretty scenery of one of our state parks. It's a very small state park, right across from the chocolate factory. They have camping and such here, and swimming pool for the kids during the summer and whatnot. You can see people are out and about enjoying the day. So we're getting back into our neck of the woods again. Just stopped and got the mail, and I'm going to be at the house pretty soon. So down the drive we go. We finally made it back, and it was just a little jaunt out for the day. Show you just a few little sights in the midst of my getting off the farm for a little while. It's back to milk the cow in about 2 hours, and luckily I got all the feeding done before I left today. So a little work in the greenhouse maybe. Trip back into Paducah tonight to pick up some stuff at the local stores that we need, and all that good stuff. So hope you enjoyed our little venture. And I've got some videos coming up once it dries up a little bit. I'm going to go out on horseback. I'm going to show you what the real territory around here looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we'll have some more videos coming up with the animals and some of what I do with the fiber work. Just been really busy with greenhouse. So once we get the things set back up, I'll kind of give you an insight a little bit more on what I do. Thanks for watching from Red Duchess Farm.